Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be looking at question 1. Consider the function f of x equals x cubed. So let's write it down here. Oh, let's get the pen. F of x equals x cubed e to the 2x. Now, we've got an x in there. We've got an x in there. So we're going to use a product rule where u is x cubed. So therefore u dash is 3x squared. V is e to the power of 2x. So the derivative of v is simply e to the power of 2x. But then we have to multiply because it's chain rule by the derivative of 2x, which is 2. Now we've got the derivative will be u v dash plus v u dash. U is x cubed. V dash is 2e to the 2x. I've just put the 2 in front of e to the 2x. Now plus v, which is e to the power of 2x. And u dash is 3x squared. So here is the u, and here is v dash, and this part, I'll just use yellow, this part v is e to the power of 2x, and then we've got u dash, which is 3x squared. Now, we could stop there, we've finished, and we could then, or we could simplify, and if we've got a moment, we could see that e to the power of 2x is common. So we've got e to the power of 2x. We've got an e squared, which is common. An x squared, which is common. And if we factorize those two factors out, we've got e to the 2x, and x squared leaves a 2x. And from the second term, e to the power of 2x, and x squared leaves a 3. And there we have it. Part 2, determine the value of x for any stationary points of the function of x. Now, stationary points happens when the derivative equals 0, and we can solve that. And so we've already got the derivative, which is e to the power of 2x, x squared, and 2x plus 3. And we want that to equal 0. We got 3 factors, and that is when e to the power of 2x equals 0, which it won't, all right? So there won't be any x's there. When x squared equals 0, and that happens when x equals 0, so there's 1. And the third factor is when 2x plus 3 equals 0, and that happens when x equals negative 3 over 2. And we want the values of x, and there they are. There are 2 values of x, and it's when x equals 0, or x could equal negative 3 over 2. There are 2 places where that graph has a stationary point. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.